So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the Bulldoze MASK vehicle from the diesel truck into the armoured half-track vehicle. We'll put Boris Bushkin to one side. At the moment it's a diesel truck. As you can see on the back there is a button. This button will release the canopy. Let's press the button. Release the canopy backwards. And we've got the missile launcher here. You've got the chainsaw at the front. The wheels need to be turned into the tracks, like so, and same on the other side. Then the pipes need to go forwards on both sides. And you sit Boris in the front, ready for battle. Slide him in there. Let's get him in. And there you go. The half-track armoured vehicle is now ready for battle. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. We are Forever Retro. Thank you for watching.